Welcome. This video will guide you how to declare your assets and liabilities through online asset declaration system. You can also refer the user manual for online asset declaration system developed by Anti-Corruption Commission. Few important links will be provided in the video descriptions below. Go to acc.org.bt. This is the official website of the Anti-Corruption Commission of Bhutan. Click Asset Declaration. Click File your online AD here. This is the online asset declaration system. Please read through the important information provided in the page. If you are declaring for the first time, click Create Account and fill in registration form and submit. Please give the correct and up-to-date contacts details as it will be used for all correspondence related to asset declaration. Every agency will have an asset declaration administrator who will verify and accept your online application. Enter your username, which is the citizen identity card number, and the password. Click Login. This is the dashboard of your asset declaration. You can also view your past declarations. Click Create Declaration to begin the asset declaration. Read and understand the important information of filing asset declaration and click Proceed. In this page you need to select the reason for declaration. There are 15 side menus at the left, which is self-explanatory. You need to declare your assets and liabilities as deemed appropriate. After you have filled all the forms, you can preview your declarations and in details. Read the affidavit and click Submit button. You will receive an acknowledgement mail in your registered email. You can check the status by logging into the system. If you face any issues, please contact Asset Declaration Administrator of your agency or Anti-Corruption Commission. Thank you.